Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the remote and connection. Insert 2 fresh AAA batteries and secure the battery door, then turn on your Xbox and TV. Once both are powered, go to Settings on the Xbox and enable HDMI CEC and accessory control so the remote can communicate. Make sure the HDMI cable supports CEC. Cheap adapters may block it. This step is essential because without CEC and working batteries, the remote cannot control TV power, volume, or input. So get this right now. Now pair and configure. Press and hold the Xbox button on the remote until it lights to initiate pairing, then navigate to Guide, choose Devices and Connections, and select Accessories to add the remote. Once detected, follow prompts to map the remote's buttons to TV functions, volume up/down, mute, and power. You should test each control, adjust IR or CEC mappings if volume doesn't respond. If the remote uses IR for volume, aim it at the TV IR sensor and confirm response before proceeding to the next stage. Finish by performing a full functionality check. Turn the TV off and on, switch HDMI inputs, play and pause media, and ramp volume up and down. If anything fails, first replace the batteries and repeat the pairing sequence. Make sure HDMI CC remains enabled. If problems persist, power cycle the console and TV, then try a factory reset of the remote via accessories or update the Xbox system firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify the TV's HDMI CEC label. Different brands call it different names, but it must be enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.